Namaskar viewers. Today I am going to show you a simple, flavorful, aromatic veg pulao. So let's see what are the ingredients required. For the veg pulao, 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Here I have taken beans, carrot, cauliflower and green peas. I have already washed the cauliflower. Boil them in lukewarm water with a pinch of turmeric. I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice here, and I have sliced 1 medium sized onion, 1 green chili slit and few whole garam masalas that are required for this. So now let's start with boiling the rice. So for 1 cup of basmati rice, I have already taken 1.5 cups of water here. Into this water, I am going to add these whole garam masalas, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 1 maize flour, 2 cardamoms, 2 to 3 cloves and 1 star anise. Now once the whole garam masalas are nicely boiling, I am going to add the soaked basmati rice into this. Now after adding the rice, I am adding a teaspoon of oil to this so that the basmati rice doesn't stick to each other. Required amount of salt, and I am giving it a good mix. Now in a pan, I am adding little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I am going to add the slit green chilies and the sliced onions to it. Now our basmati rice is getting cooked and the onions and the green chilies are getting sauteed here. Once the onion turns translucent, we will be adding the rest of the veggies to this. Now the onions are translucent. I am adding the rest of the veggies into this. I have already added salt for the rice. So I am adding salt only that is required for the vegetables now. I am giving it a good mix. Now lower the flame and cover this and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's about 4 to 5 minutes now. The vegetables have got cooked nicely. I did not add any water while doing this, but in case you feel that your vegetables may get burnt slightly, you may add some water when you cover and cook. Now I'm switching off my flame and let me check whether the rice is done. Yes, the water has completely evaporated, and now I have put off my rice also. Now I am going to mix the cooked basmati rice with the vegetables now. Now I am giving it a good mix. Since this is not very spicy but yet very flavorful, this would be a good kids recipe. Also, this can be made for lunch or dinner according to your choice. Now I have mixed the rice and the vegetables thoroughly. You may choose to remove these whole garam masalas in case you don't like when it comes when you bite it. So that's it. Our veg pulao is ready, and I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl. So our tasty aromatic veg pulao is ready. This can very well go with mirch ka salan, bagara bangan or any other kind of gravy. So hope you like this recipe. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video.